Hey guys, welcome back to Uniquely Us Adventures. So today we're going to be checking out the GlueTread kit. This is a sidewall repair kit. We got to see this used in Baja and was put to the test, and we knew then that every rig that we have needed one of these kits. One of the things with kits like this is we truly believe that you need to know how to use it before you need to use it. So we are here at home in a controlled environment. We're going to be doing this here so that we understand how to use this product, and we're going to do a time comparison on what it takes to patch this tire versus replace a tire. All right, so you're on an epic adventure, you have no cell phone service, and the worst is about to happen. You get a flat tire. All right, as you can see, the timer is going. We have the kit here. We have our cut right here. All the air is out, and we're gonna see what it does. So as you can see, we put this tire at 50 PSI, which is far greater than the Tacoma tires, which is even more of a test to this patch to see if it would hold. So looking at the time, we are under 18 minutes. We probably could have done this in about 15 minutes if we didn't talk so much. All right, now that we know that the other patch holds, it's time to swap this with a spare. So everything is in its place as if we were on the road, and we're gonna see how long this one's gonna take. So let's get after it. Let's get this started. All right guys, so the time trial is done. The GlueTread patch kit took about 16 minutes, and we took our time. We had to read the instructions. It was our first time doing it. This is not my first time replacing a spare, so I knew what I was doing. I knew where my tools were, and it took about 17 minutes, but I would still choose the patch kit over the spare any day. Why? Because one, we were in ideal conditions today, and it's flat ground, the weather is cool, we're not in mud, we're not in snow, we're not in boulders and rocks. Second, if you damage your tire that you put on as a spare, you're stuck, you're done, there's no more tires. So having the GlueTread patch kit allows you to move further, farther, and safer, because you can repair the tire multiple times before ever even getting to this spare. So keep the spare a spare, use the GlueTread patches. If you guys want to buy any of these products, we have an Amazon store, and we also have links to all the products for GlueTread in the link below. Check those out. We appreciate you guys watching. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.